Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your Reddit account's password. To change your Reddit password, first of all, open up the Reddit app and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now from the menu, click on Settings at the bottom. Once you end up in the Settings page, tap on your username under Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you'll need to tap on Change Password. In the first tab which says Current Password, enter your current password and go to the next field and enter a new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password into the Confirm New Password box and finally click on Save at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on your Reddit account. Make sure to save your new password somewhere safe to avoid login issues in the future. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.